Good morning, Quadcopter 101 with another review of the F803 obtained from Seafly. I did a previous review that went over the features of this, how to set it up in detail, but what I had failed to do in that first review was demonstrate flying it with the app. This can also be flown with the app. And as I found out, if you fly it with the app, you get the additional features of selfie mode, of follow me, and also there is waypoint mode, but right now I cannot get Google Maps to work with my phone, or with the app on my phone. I'm getting clarification from Seafly on how to do that. Once I do, I will do another follow-up review to demonstrate waypoint flying. But what I want to focus on today is selfie mode and also follow me using the phone. In follow me, what it's using is the GPS in the phone as the base point that this quadcopter is going to follow. Okay, so that's how you get follow me. It will not work with the controller alone, since the controller does not have a built-in GPS, but your phone should or does. Most phones do these days. So that's what we're going to do. So let's set it up, fire it up, and connect to the app, and then we'll go into demonstrating selfie mode and then follow me. So hope you enjoy this flight. Okay, I first connected my phone directly to the quadcopter this time. I did not connect it to the controller. For today's flight, since we're flying with the app, I connected it first directly, the Wi-Fi directly to the quadcopter. Then I opened up the app. Let me make sure that Mobizen's recording so you can see this. Okay, Mobizen is now recording, as you can see here, and we also have 11 satellites and a green light, so we are set to take off. One thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to select selfie mode. Let me go into the app here and selecting selfie mode. And what selfie mode does, let me turn it on. Come on, there you go. Selfie mode, the back of the quadcopter becomes the front, and the front of the quadcopter becomes the back. So right now, there's the camera. So that's the back end of the quadcopter when we're in selfie mode. So what I'm going to do now is actually start the video camera. Video camera is recording, and press the takeoff button. And we're going to say, okay, take off. And let's check its stability. Reasonably stable. Now let's verify that back is front and front is back by, I'm going to use the virtual joystick and push forward, and it should fly backwards. And there it goes. Okay, so front is back and back is front. Okay, going up higher. I want to get above all these bushes out here, going up a little bit higher, right about there, and push it backward to send the quadcopter in front of me, and turning it around so that the camera is facing me, and moving it directly over the road. I want to put it right about there. Okay, and I'm going to step back a bit. Now I took off from my landing pad here, and we are going to select in GPS, follow me. I want to see what it does. Follow me being selected now. So what's it do? I'm going to walk toward it. Actually, I'm going to walk away from it. You see a number that says 6. I don't know what that 6 means, but it definitely is following me. How about if I walk toward it? Will it let me walk directly under it? And now it's starting to move backward. So it sensed I was getting close. Okay, so that's how follow me works. I'm going to put it right about there. And let's hit 7 and see what happens. Oh, that adjusts the altitude. You can set it up or down by sliding the bar up or down. Going up. I want to come down because I want to see this. I'm sliding the bar down to 6. Now let me turn off follow me. GPS, go back to GPS mode. And I'm going to walk back to the car Okay, I'm going to get in the car. We're going to see if it'll follow me from the car. That's about a good distance right there. Let me select follow me again right there from this point. Follow me. And let's set it up a little bit higher. 7. I want to be above the bushes, folks. That's why I want to set it up a little bit higher. 8. 8 is about good. Okay, walking back to the car. My car is still running. I'm going to put my landing pad away. The quadcopter should be following me. Let's throw the landing pad back in the back of the car. It's getting closer. Okay, it is following. Let me lower the also the gimbal. Let's see if I can get that gimbal control to come up. Going point downward toward me. Not that far downward. Let's see a little bit of horizon. There we go. So getting back in the car, let's see if it indeed can follow. I can keep an eye on it. I'm going to put the phone up on my dashboard. And let me send it out a little bit further. Okay, stopping follow me. Going back to GPS mode. Pushing outward to about there. And going back to follow me, hitting GPS, follow me, going up a bit higher, sliding the slide bar up higher, going up to about 8. And I see the car. I'm going to put this right here on the dashboard. And let's go forward and see if it actually follows the car. Okay. It's starting to move. I'm starting that slowly just to see what it can do. But yes, it's staying in the bearing directly in front of me. Similar to how Hubsons do it. There's other quadcopters that have follow me, and when you get moving, they'll slide all over the place. Some of them will fly directly over your head. This is the way I like to see follow me, where it holds a bearing directly in front of you or behind you, whatever bearing you set it, and it stays in that direction and stays pointed at you, in effect. So let's go up a little faster and see how fast this thing can go and follow me. 10 miles an hour. Coming up on 15 miles an hour. Seatbelt thing is ringing because I don't have my seatbelt on. My dog doesn't either. Okay, it lost. Okay, there it stopped for a second there. I guess it lost signal. So I guess the max speed on this seems to be about 50 miles per hour. Let's try it again. Going up a little bit faster. 10. What will it do? What's the max speed you can do and follow me? 10. I'm getting too close to it. So it's about 10, 12 miles per hour and follow me, folks. So we're going to stop it right there.